Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review cool and useful products for your home. Today, I'm going to show you the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack, a wall-mounted shower dispenser and organizer for shampoo and soap bottles. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I'm going to tell you why I love it and why you should consider getting one for yourself. The Squeezi 2 Unit Pack is a set of 2 silicone chambers that can hold any 1018F Oz bottle, even the weird-shaped ones. You can mount them on the wall with a suction cup that can stick to any surface, such as tile, glass, or metal. The suction cup is very strong and durable, and it doesn't leave any marks or residue on the wall. The best part about the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack is that it allows you to dispense the product with a simple squeeze. No more fumbling with caps, pumps, or lids. No more dropping or knocking over bottles. No more wasting product by leaving some at the bottom of the bottle. With the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack, you can get every last drop of shampoo, conditioner, or soap with ease and convenience. The Squeezi 2 Unit Pack also helps you declutter your shower and bathtub by removing the need for a shower caddy or shelf. You can save space and keep your shower neat and tidy. You can also mix and match different colors of the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack to suit your preference and decor. They come in bright white, light gray. The Squeezi 2 Unit Pack is very easy to install and use. You just need to fill the chamber with your product, attach the suction cup to the wall, and press the chamber onto the suction cup. To remove the chamber, you just need to pull the tab on the suction cup. To clean the chamber, you just need to rinse it with water. The Squeezi 2 Unit Pack costs $29.99 on Amazon, and it has a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars based on 1,100 customer reviews. Some of the positive reviews praise the product for its convenience, functionality, and innovation. Some of the negative reviews complain about the product's adhesion, suction power, and ease of use. I personally think that the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack is a great product that solves a common problem in the shower. It makes my shower experience more enjoyable and hassle-free. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to simplify their shower routine and organize their shower space. If you're interested in getting the Squeezi 2 Unit Pack, you can check out the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this review and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.